This video works, you guys. Be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. It's super insane, guys. So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it.
Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to show you how to watch YouTube in your car using the CarBridge app. So with this app, guys, we can literally go and have all the settings so we can watch YouTube in our car. So as you can see, I got YouTube, Netflix, all this stuff. And when I press apply, it adds it. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So first step is go over to this website, tweakmod.com. So now what I want you to do is just type in CarBridge, press install, and before it downloads there's going to be a verification. So you just need to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from the official app store. So let's just wait for this to load. So yeah, I don't really do videos like this, but this is a real working method, so I just thought I would share it with you guys. So let's just give it a second for this to load, as you can see. So yeah, it's super cool. So it's loading up right now, as you can see, guys. So it is going to bring us to that verification step. So we need to download 2 of these apps. Like Family Island says reach level 11, it's a game, so I could do that. I could do Match Masters, Underdog Fantasy, down and run for 30 seconds. So just do 2 of them, guys, and then you'll have CarBridge on your device, and you can actually like use all the apps in the car, as you can see, and it's really cool. There's also like cast settings and all this weird stuff like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. So yeah, it's awesome. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys want to get CarBridge on your device. But yeah, this is super cool. There's lots of settings, so some of it may be beyond my skill set. But yeah, just make sure you download 2 of these apps. There's a video if you're confused, but that's how to install it into your device in 2025. There's the website. So yeah, I'll see you later and peace out, bro.